Hey, so far we've had great sessions. Hi covered swiyenge leswiyani swa hina leswi hi nga vulavula hi swona, and everything went perfectly well. And I'm proud of you, Kuri. Today you're finalizing session liya ya hina ya premarital counseling. And I want you to know, namuntlha Kuri, koni the first 7 years ya vukati of marriage. And if you guys can survive the first 7 years of marriage, your marriage will last forever. Kambe these 7 years, he divided into 3 parts. Hina, the first 3 years, he va na 3 years ya vumbirhi, ebe hi va na lembe ro hetelela, the last 1 year. The first 3 years, we call that the years of studying each other. Madyondzana, you're still studying each other. And then the second 3 years, it's the 3 years where you are now doing what? You are settling into this marriage. And the last year, it's where you are solidifying your marriage. Remember that all the time. And I'm glad we're studying this one. But let's go into these 7 years. The first year is the year now where the woman is very submissive. She's listening to the man at all the time. The man, he's always doing the talking and everything. And the woman, she's submitting, she's listening. But in her heart, in her mind, she's studying you. She's studying how you speak, your tactics and everything. Second year, vice versa. This is where now the woman, she's beginning to do the calling the shots. Now she knows you. She does the talking, you do the listening. The third year, this is now where both of you, we take it good now, and then it's studying each other. Now you've studied each other. You know each other. She knows the weak points. She knows your weak points. You know her weak points. You know all the weak spots and everything. And this is the year where you're even beginning to ask yourself, hey, you are seeing things. Can I stand this nonsense that I'm seeing here? You're studying each other. Then it takes you now to the 4th year. Now the 4th year is a very challenging year. Probably the 4th year, maybe Shlagena or even 1. And because of that, na shape ya change. Hey, I know this was Islander. I'm still what's gonna happen. 4 years down the line, the true colors started. Now this is where we prove get Jay. Is Jay in love with this woman because of how she is physically or because of what she is in the inside? And then the 5th and the 6th year. This is now the great year of testing from the relatives, the family members. This is when now they test you. This is now where he dokukona one akia wena kubona iranza vale ka wena ranta vale ka hina ya we shavela vale ka mwe swakudya na ti groceries saleka eka ka mwe iranza mana we aranza mana mina. All these things, they come up, and this is where you overcome all those things. And if you can be able to overcome those things in those 2 years, the 4th and the 5th and the 6th year, and then it takes you for the 7th year. This is the year of perfection, where your love is being perfected, your marriage is being perfected. And if you can stand that and even go into the 7th year, still loving one another. Remember the 7th year, you are now solidifying. You are saying nothing can come in between us. Yes, I can stand all of this. You have overcome all of those 6 years. And the 7th year, you survive that one. I'm telling you, you'll survive the coming 70 years.
Street.